Hi, my name is Ivan and I am in outside of our boss house, and right now I am eating alone. This is my sunan and this is my rice, and this is what I'm trying to do, to read a book, because I love reading a book because it gives me knowledge. And this is my journal. I will write all my goals, all my feelings, emotions, ideas, or objectives in life, dreams in life. This is also my pen, and this is my what do you call this? Drink, water. So I'm so sorry if my my hair is look so messy. I'm gonna kuanda sili. You know, sili chili is such chili. It's so spicy. So I'm gonna eat na yun. Later, I'm gonna read a book. Mm. This is my pendant. It is an evil eye. No. It protects you from negativity. Earlier, I have a class, but I did not study well, and I did not. We have a oral. I did not answer the question well because my phone is lagging. I tried to search it on Google, but the phone it's over. My name is um didn't call. I think the reason why I have belly fats, it is because I eat fast. When I eat so very fast, that's why the foods that I suggest digest it. I did not chew it um very much. I saw a doctor online. She said that in order for you to stay fit, you have when you eat, you have to eat slowly but surely, so that the food will digest easily. But sometimes I'm so hungry, so I eat super fast. But right now I'm learning how to eat slowly. Earlier, I am done watching movies, Korean movie. The title of it is When Life Gets You Give You Tangerines. It's a nice movie. I'm so related it so much because the main character of the story, or the story, is all about love and family and being poor, because I could really say that I'm related to that movie, because my parents and me are very close, and also we are poor too. I think I'm done eating now, so I have to move on and to read a book, or to write my goals, or to study. I'm sorry. I'm gonna read, okay? Do I look pretty? I think I'm done. I need to stop filming because I need to budget time. Because later I'm gonna go to the Picas and clean the house. Same old routine. Okay, bye. Bye bye.